Now, the lead up to the table tennis Jamaica elections is shaping up to be an interesting one after incumbent President Godfrey Lothian on Tuesday night declared that losing will not be an option. His challenger, though, is not backing down. Renata Brown reports.
This statement from TVJ President Godfrey Lothian on Primetime Sports Tuesday may spark a war of words after challenger Karen Sinclair Lim criticized the way a new constitution was passed on Monday night.
Confident you can retain the presidency? I see a challenger has come forth.
I don't know that challenger.
Oh, really?
I have never seen her before. I don't know her. I see her talking on TV. I have never seen her. I don't know her. Never
so you're confident?
Her. I will win again.
But in an interview with TVJ Sports on Monday, Sinclair Lim, who is a lay magistrate and justice of the peace, says Lothian has done his time and needs to make way for a fresh approach.
In my experience, and you can only do so much and no more. So if you have reached a certain level in your life and you have brought an organization to a certain point, I believe that you need to let go and let someone else move it forward. What are you going to change? What are you going to do that's different? You have got 4 years to do something and you have done what you should do, and now you're looking another 2 more years to do what?
Sinclair Lim also outlined her vision for the association.
Well, we didn't have much tournaments, we don't have any infrastructure, we don't have any growth per se. And I feel that as a sport, we need to grow. We need to be heard, we need to be felt, we need to go somewhere and let people know who we are. This is Jamaica, and Jamaica represents something on the world stage. Everywhere you go, everybody knows Usain Bolt. Music, everybody knows Bob Marley. Really? Nobody knows table tennis? No, we need to change that.
And she's not alone in her call for more focus on local competition.
I would like to see some more tournaments. There are little or no tournaments being played. You know, none last year. Yes. The year before was a one-star national championships.
Delegates will go to the polls on February 9 at the association's annual general meeting. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.